Maybe I should use more primer. Yeah. Because I feel like this is going to need a little more of this Baja color. Right above this. Both sides. And then right above that, the Still Shot color. What's interesting now is it's starting to look more browny. It's kind of like a sunset on my eyes. What do y'all think? Now to line it, I'm going to use a pencil brush. For someone who is in a hurry, Beth, I'm going to use this punk color. That's not what I should have done. Hold on. I'm going to get that off the pencil brush. I'm going to use this Accelerate color with the pencil brush, because the pencil brush will come down below the lashes. So we're going to use this Accelerate color. It's along those same color lines of Rust. And I'm just going to pull it down below. Do you see how I'm under the lash line? So that this color will come out and connect it out here. So it will come under the lash, so that when I go with the darker color right at the lash line, this is below the lash line, slightly. You don't want it to go too far down and look like crazy. Like crazy person. It's very orange, Beth. Well, we're doing something different today. Now I will use my smudger brush, the E20, wherever it is hiding. Hello, E20, where are you? What? Oh, there it is. Get it wet and use that punk brown, which is right there. So I've kind of stayed here and that color. Go right on the lash line with this. This is my true liner color I'm using. It's a very interesting brown, I might add. It's a poo-poo brown. Looks like a poo-poo. I think I'm going to use that as my liner. I'm not going to use eyeliner today. Right on the lash line. Poo-poo brown. It's interesting. It truly has an orange tone to it. And we're going to make a little wing with it. Lightly go through the brow with it. Because it's a brown. Let's use this Good As Gone to do my brow. Since I didn't do my brow yet. This is very dark, I think, so I'll be a little more careful with this. This is Good As Gone. And it is actually a little cooler brown, so it does work better for my brow, even though I'm doing a warm look. Let's just kind of reinforce the brow in the front. It's a good color. I think I did too much right there. So let's just kind of slightly drag it through. Because it's dark, so be careful. Oops, sorry. It's dark, so be careful when you first go through with it, especially on the top line. First go through the bottom and maybe do a little fill-in in the middle, then do the top, because the top, and especially as it gets further to the back, should be lighter in your application. Let's go ahead and fill in a little bit. Just fill in a little. It is about the same. I think that's the most even I've ever done on camera. Those of you at home may be going, no, Beth, not really. No. How's that? I look so pale. Y'all, I think that's enough shadow. It's very orangey. So, definitely have to blend down, blend down, blend down. Very, very good. Maybe even use a little weekender. That was the neutral color on my brush to kind of tone it down. So it's not so orangey. Does that look? Yeah, it definitely helped. Not so very orangey. Because this would be maybe great if you were going out, but if we're going into the office, it's a little much. How's that? Yeah, I'm kind of blending that down a little bit. Yeah. Wipe that off. I do need the cosmetics liner because I do need waterproof for sure today. I need to scroll it up more though, because I think part of the reason it did not work yesterday very good is because it felt I felt the tip of the actual, can y'all see me? Hit my eye. The tip of the, I just did it again. Just because I'm not being careful. Y'all be careful. Don't do so fast like I do. Do as I say, not as I do. And I actually did pull the flap of my skin down to do that. I'm going to use the back part of my hand to try to make sure there's not too much makeup here. And see, it comes off on your hands. It's the best blender I know of. Now, for a blush, I'm going to use from the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm going to use this color right here. I've got another hair. I feel it. Oh, that's my head hair. It's not a doggy hair for a change. So Caribbean is the color, and it is kind of like a rosy sunset color. So this is like perfect for what I'm wearing. Perfect. Here we go. Just kind of getting rid of all this whiteness. You know? Did we get that good? Evened. There we go. Blend down really good, y'all. Really, really good. Wow. It's different. There's no telling. There's just no telling what it's going to look like. Alright, so there's the look. What do you think? I need to pop my shirt. Hold on. Let me make sure there's no makeup on my fingertips before I do that. Okay. What else? I should be wearing gold jewelry because it's a very warm look, but you know, it is what it is. I think I actually am going to put on some liner, y'all. Not a wide liner. Where's my little... Where is it? Do y'all know what I'm looking for? Well, this will do. Chianti. No, that's a pen liner. What I'm looking for... Do y'all know what I'm looking for? Some of you are screaming at home going, the DHC, the DHC! Yes. Do I have one handy? That one? Yes. Why? It's not a pen liner. It is not a, in other words, it's not like a felt tip pen. It's more, it is an actual brush. There we go. I just want a very thin black line because we used brown, remember? And I like that. I like that we did that. So I don't want to take away from that. But I do want a line look. Because these are such bold colors. But yeah, I want a lined look. All the way in to the tear duct. Staying right at the base of the line, keeping it super duper thin. Just doing short little whatchamajiggies. Dashes. If that's good enough. Remember how we talked about good enough? This is going back there. I don't know how that got all the way over there. I need to go through and get my perfect brush set back. I got them all over the place. Alright, so that is this palette. And I'm going to go off camera to do my mascara. Yep. Because I don't know. I don't know. How close am I to the end of this? Really close. Close enough. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use a waterproof mascara, mainly because my eyes is like freaking today. Tomorrow I will be doing a tutorial with the beautiful Charlotte Tilbury Dolce Vita. But today, I did this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye, bye-bye.